Hello students, hope you all are studying regularly at home. Today I will explain you what is a sentence and its types. It is related to your practice book, that is unit 2. You have already done it in your previous classes. So let us start. What is a sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. When we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups. As I would say, he sat in a corner. This is a complete sentence. It shows the meaning. It is a meaningful sentence. And as you all know, subject and predicate, these are also the parts of sentence. And what is subject and what is predicate? Let us revise it. The name of the person or thing we speak about is called subject. For example, he is a very strong man. He is very strong man. So what is subject? Subject is he, and what we are talking, what we say about the subject is called predicate. And what we are talking about, he, strong. He is a subject and is very strong man is a predicate. Subject and predicate, these are also the parts of a sentence. Now, as we know, as the definition indicates, a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. So, group of words, let us discuss. First of all, we add complete thought. There should be a meaningful thought in a sentence. Suppose, strong are you. It is meaningless. If we write, you are strong, this is meaning. It shows a complete thought. Secondly is subject and verb combination. There should be subject and verb in a sentence. For example, put the book here. Here book is missing. After the there will be book. Put the book here. Here subject is not given, but if we write like this way, you put the book here. Now subject is there and verb is also there. Here you is subject and put is verb. This is the combination of subject and verb. Thirdly is meaning. What we can add in meaning, that is statement, question, command and exclamation. These four things will be added in meaning. So these are three main things which are added in group of words, and a group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now we will discuss types of sentences. There are four types of sentences, that is declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Firstly, we take declarative sentences. A sentence that makes a statement is called declarative, or we can also call it assertive sentences. Declarative sentences tell information about anything. Suppose, Raman is an intelligent boy. So what information? Intelligent boy. About whom? Raman. It is giving information about the person. It can give the information about anything, that is person or thing or an object, whatever it is. Second example is the burger is very tasty. What is told about the burger is very tasty. So this is declarative sentence. You can also take Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Where are sitting Humpty Dumpty? They are sitting on a wall. This is a declarative sentence. Next one is interrogative sentences. These are used to ask a question by putting question mark. As you know, when you are asking any question to someone, such type of sentences are called interrogative sentences, and at the end of the sentence we put question mark. For example, how are you, who is he, why are you late, where do you live, in which standard do you study, etc., etc. Third one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences gives command or ask for request. We can give command to someone or we can request to someone. For example, put the book on the table, wait for him, please lend me your notes, be quiet, have mercy upon us. These all are imperative sentences. Last one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions or feelings. We can add pain, anger, happiness, surprise, appreciation. These all words are used for exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful scene. She is such a nice girl. How cold the night is. What a shame. When we are expressing different emotions or different meaning, different feelings to someone, such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. And we remember at the end of these sentences we put exclamatory sign. So students, this is all about sentence and its kinds. Mainly these are 4 types of sentences and you have already gone through in your junior classes. Hope you all have understood well. In next lecture we will do the exercise of same unit of your practice book. Till then, take care.